What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Just a quick update, more news out of Amazon HQ. So this week we have two new articles out of big investments in AI and data centers expansions from Amazon. So the first one is Amazon plans to invest $10 billion in North Carolina to expand cloud computing infrastructure and advanced AI innovation. Just from reading this article, it says that upward of 500 new jobs will be created in the 500 highly new skilled jobs and supporting thousands more in the AWS data center supply chain. So this is big news. So obviously the growth and expansion of AI is driving these investments in data centers for Amazon. But also what this means is with these new expansion build outs, they're going to be looking for more technical staff. So a lot of these positions are going to go unfilled unless people are getting the training in place to be able to step into these jobs once these plants get open. So right now it says, this is North Carolina, $10 billion in North Carolina. Landmark investment is expected to create at least 500 new high-skilled jobs. Generative AI is driving increased demand for advanced cloud infrastructure, compute power, and investment, and will support the future of AI from AWS data centers in the Tar Heel state. So the new highly skilled jobs will range from data center engineers, network specialists, to engineering operations managers, security specialists, and many more technical roles. In addition to these direct positions, this planned investment is expected to support thousands of local construction jobs and positions in data center supply chain, as well as other jobs in the local community. So this is just really a big plus for the North Carolina community. So if you live in that area and you don't currently have these desired skills, this is probably the time for you to start leveling up and taking steps to get there. It also says they're supporting education, training, skills, and more. So I'll leave a link down in the description on this video, and also a link to some of the AWS training out there. A lot of people aren't aware of how much free training that AWS offers. All you'll have to do is go in and set up a skill builder account, and once you do that, it's just kind of, you find all the free training that you want and that you have the time to actually go through, and I've actually found it to be pretty helpful. So I'll leave a link down in the description of this video. So this first one was again $10 billion in North Carolina, and then a couple days later, another announcement is that AWS or Amazon is spending $20 billion on data centers in Pennsylvania, including one next to a power plant. So there's been a lot of back and forth about that. I think Amazon originally bought the land that the power plant was going, bought some of the land that the power plant was going on for one of their data centers, and this is just adding more fuel to the fire as the AI growth and expansion continues. So you can see here it says since 2024, Amazon has committed to about $10 billion a piece of data center projects in Mississippi, Indiana, Ohio, and North Carolina, which is the one we just talked about, as it ramps up its investment in infrastructure to compete with other tech giants to meet growing demand for artificial intelligence products. The rapid growth of cloud computing and artificial intelligence has fueled demand for data centers that need power to run servers, storage systems, networking equipment, and cooling systems. So I'll leave a link down in the description for this also. So yeah, I mean, basically the key takeaway from this, these two announcements is if you're not in a position to get one of these jobs, and these are going to be well-paying jobs, you're behind the eight ball already. So any ramp up you need to do, it's probably a good time to start doing it. That way, within the next year to two, you'll be in position to kind of be ready to handle